In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a vendor credit in Zoho Books. If you've ever found yourself needing to record a credit from a supplier or vendor, due to returns or other reasons, knowing how to handle this in Zoho Books is essential. So let's get started and take this step by step. First, open up Zoho Books and start on the dashboard page. This is where you usually land after logging in. The dashboard provides an overview of your financial status, giving you quick insights into your business's performance. But today, we're focusing on creating a vendor credit. Next, navigate over to the Purchases tab. You'll typically find this in the main navigation. When you click on Purchases, it expands into a menu where you can manage all aspects of your purchases, including bills and purchase orders. For this tutorial, we'll be interested in vendor credits, so go ahead and click on that option. Once you've clicked on Vendor Credits, you're directed to the list of all your existing vendor credits. To create a new credit, look for the New button, usually positioned around the top of the page. Click on it and you'll be taken to a blank form where you can input the details of the new vendor credit. Now, let's focus on filling in the required information. The first thing you need to do is select the vendor from the drop-down list. This should be the supplier who issued the credit. If the vendor is not already listed, you may need to add them to your contacts first before proceeding. Next, type in the credit note number. This is crucial for record keeping as it helps you track and refer back to the specific transaction later on. Similarly, input the order number related to this credit transaction. This ties the credit back to the original order or invoice, which is helpful for matching records and ensuring that everything lines up. After that, choose a date for the vendor credit. This is usually the date the credit was issued, which might differ from the current date. Having accurate dates helps maintain financial records in line with your accounting period. There is also a space for you to type in a subject if necessary. This is optional, but providing a short summary or reason for the vendor credit can be invaluable for quick reference or future audits. Now let's move on to the item table. Here you'll input the items that the vendor credit applies to, including quantities and rates. This part is essential as it breaks down the credit into specific items or services, ensuring that you have detailed records. Finally, once all the fields are correctly filled out, click on Save as Open. This action saves your vendor credit and keeps the status as open, meaning you can still edit it if needed before finalizing. And there you have it. You've successfully created a vendor credit in Zoho Books. This process streamlines managing your vendor transactions, ensuring that your financial statements reflect accurate and complete information. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you today.